So friends, our today's session start with interrogation. If I say, can we become fluent in English in just 13 days? So the answer is yes. We can become a fluent in English in just 13 days. I will tell you the step for becoming fluent in English in just 13 days. So this video going to be very essential and pivotal for all of you who want to become a fluent in English. So again, most welcome back to our YouTube platform with another session of English learning. I'm here for you, an English educator and learner. So let's get started without any delay and digression. This video going to be very pivotal and essential for you. So let's get start the video. The 3 points I will include in this video. It's very important for become a fluent English in the less time. You will do the task whatever I say in this video. Well, it's a very challenging task, but with all dedication and all your hard work, you can make it very easy. So let's get started. So first and foremost important point is well, I am going to tell you 3 steps in this video. The first is learn 10 to 15 words in a day. Every day you have to learn 10 to 15 new words. Well, the words should not be the advanced, but you can learn basic words that we can use speaking in every day. So learn every day 10 to 15 words, if possible 20 words per day. So it's a very essential for speaking English and vocabulary. Whenever we start speaking English, our mind goes blank because of lack of vocabulary. So words is a play essential role for speaking English. So how to improve your vocabulary? Well, I have said in this last video how to improve your vocabulary. You can read the newspaper daily and find a few simple words, and you can have a pocket dictionary for simple words. Then you can learn on new words. By the listening, you can also improve your words and vocabulary. Then jump the second most important point for speaking English is listening. Friends, it's a very important and play a crucial role to speak in English. Believe me, friends, listening is a very important and very vital for speaking English. Whatever you are listening, just listen in English language. You have all this YouTube platform and Instagram and Facebook, whatever you use on the social media platforms, just listen in English. If you like cricket, so watch cricket commentary in English, and if you like stories, if you like English movies, whatever you like, I don't know, but just listen in English language. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, so you have to listen on your English language. Well, all the native speaker learn English by the listening, and we all know that if you just think that in your native language, you can think in your native language, you can speak native language because of listening. So listening is the most important part for speaking English. Every day listen on YouTube. There are many dubs and various of videos available in YouTube. You can watch the stories, you can watch the cartoons, as well as you can watch the movie clips in English language. So listening is a play a vital role for speaking English. So let's jump about the last and most important point is practice and practice. If you have words, vocab, and if you listen all the videos in English, but if you don't practice, so it's not worth it. So practice makes man perfect. It's here. So if you want to improve your speaking skills, you have to be practice. It doesn't matter you speak brokenly English, you speak perfect English or not, but just try to speak in English. Initially you cannot speak English, initially you make mistakes, but it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. At least do everyday practice for English language. Sit in front of mirror and speak whatever you are like. Whenever you go in your day, start from morning to evening what you have done in your whole day. Speak with your friends, your family, and whenever you go, just trying to speak in English. So practice is more important than any other factors that I have included in this video. So friends, there's three steps I have told you in this video. So those three are all essential and very important for speaking English. I hope you like this video. So if you find this video very helpful, so share with your friends and do subscribe for more videos so you can get the notification of my videos that I will post videos for you in this channel. So we will meet tomorrow with our next session of English learning. So goodbye, see you, take care.